Hi everyone, thank you for watching Vida Universo Mente Live Universe Mind. Have you noticed how energy changes when your home office is in order? So I'm gonna to talk about the order we had to do every day, every minute, every second. We feel that everything is easier and time pain of more. Having order brings tranquility, a lot of inner harmony, and above all, it will help us to eliminate the fear that we have of facing problems. When we have everything in order, documents, kitchen items, the closet, and everything is in place, we save time because we won't spend hours or minutes looking for something between the mess. You eliminate the anguish, and all day you will work wonderfully. You will have a control over everything you possess. The important thing about having everything organized will help us to know every space and place of our house, office, or places with which we live daily, which help us to save because you are more aware of what is told and you know where everything is and what you really need. If you want to keep stress levels low from psychological studies, people living in messy homes increase their level of cortisol, depression hormones, and had depression, and felt tired that women living in tidy houses. With order, we manage to regulate the cycles of work and rest so that we can sleep in peace. When we have everything in order, we manage to save time and we will be able to take advantage of it. In other activities that will make us feel happy and we can share more with the family. Having everything in order, when we have tranquility and clear energy, we can enjoy everything we own and take advantage to relax from the crazy world in which live. But what can we do to keep everything in order? I can recommend you start by taking out everything you don't use or serve. If you don't need, if you will never use it, don't accumulate, just leave what is necessary and you are using. We had to sort things into equals with equals. This is called categorizing their belonging by putting them in a special place. You have to have samples, principle to sort every single thing in place, and every time you use them, return them to their post. Replacing things is buy something new, something old must come out. Remember that everything is habit in life. If you put effort into it, surely you will achieve it and start living a more serene and quiet life. Thank you for watching our channel Vida Universo Mente. If you consider it useful and learning this video, give a like please if you like it, and subscribe to our channel if you have not already. Leave your comments below and we can discuss this information. If you have any doubts, I will gladly answer it. with the next video. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, Vida Universo Mente. Here on the photography appearing is for free. This at the same time, give me a like. Remember it. Namaste to the next video.